Okay, so Rahima and I are here today. We're preparing things for the Ancestral Healing Weekend that's coming up. And we said, let's do a little video talking about the spa. That is the Sacred Path Apprenticeship, or it's for your personal development and work, and to deepen in a shamanic lifestyle. Also to prepare you if you're thinking of becoming a shamanic practitioner. So it gives you the foundation. Now, the spa, the way that we do it is slightly different than the way a lot of people are doing it. Because in addition to learning all the kind of core shamanic work of soul retrieval and extraction and psychopomp and all the work that we do traditionally shamanically, the basis of the work of our time together is we're doing a lot of personal development work. So in order to do that, we're sharing different kinds of meditations with you. You're being introduced to techniques like the Lime Game and the Color Race, which had been developed in the Mystery School that I co-founded in 1987. So I'm bringing in tools that are really about personal transformation and development, self-development, personal development. And this helps you to deepen as a person in your own life with your own spiritual work and path, and then that lends an amazing component to when you go to work shamanically. Because when you're working shamanically, the depth that you go to is the depth that you are able to go to. So if you're not doing personal work, it's harder to go deeper. I mean, a lot of us can journey and merge and then get information, but to really become a very good practitioner or to deepen in your path, you need to keep practicing, you need excuses to keep practicing, and you need to be having that inner opening internally. And then layers start coming off, you start witnessing who you are. When people want to become practitioners, I encourage them to do a lot of personal work and even to take like a counseling training so they understand about setting guidelines and boundaries and how to have a session, you know, a proper session with another person, because you can't take someone somewhere you haven't been, basically. And if you haven't done that personal development and exploration work for yourself, you don't have the kind of container to support other people and help them through their challenges and surmounting their own obstacles. So in the Sacred Path work, we are a community. We're working spiritually. We're going deeper. We're guided by the spirits, and we're having a good time. We're also in nature, like we are here. We're going to be housing it in this yurt. We meet 6 times over the 2 years. We meet for 5 days each time, and we really have space then to go outside of ordinary time into shamanic time where the alchemy happens. So you can have the dismemberments and the dissembling of your normal structures that allow the divine energy to come through you and give you deep and profound healings and transformation. So it's a deep path. It's a beautiful path, and usually a very amazing community forms in the training, and people are going deep in themselves but also aware of the others and supporting each other mutually to go deep in the process. So it's a really lovely time and a profound time and an extremely joyful time as the bliss of the divine and the spirits come in and wrap and support us and guide us and move us through all the layers of what's going on. And then just having time in nature to integrate, absorb, and nature being the teacher. So helping you to move forward with that connection, the true connection, the deeper connection, the profound connection. This time together really gives you a wonderful foundation, and it can help you integrate other practices. I'm very much about including what you've done before. bringing it in and helping each person find their expression. Because this isn't like McDonald's where this is this form and I want you to ram yourself into this container and practice this way. This is about using what you've already got, expanding, opening, moving forward in your unique path. And we have an intimate group, and each person's strengths come forward, and we support people to go through what fits for them in their life and adapt it and recognize and call forth. You know, sometimes people come to me after they've done trainings with other people and they say, you know, I already did a shamanic training with someone, but, you know, I don't feel solid in this. I don't feel like it's mine yet. And I'm really wanting to feel that connection. And then it happens for them. So, you know, this is bespoke work, and the spirits work uniquely with each one of us. So there's space to allow you. We give you the templates, we give you the forms, but you have to embody them, try them out, see if they fit for you, have your spirits adjust them. And that process can be kind of shaky making, because it's, you know, people want to say, I want to learn something like it's mathematics. You know, this isn't mathematics. It's not 1 + 1 = 2. It's 1 plus this mysterious other thing shifts you into another dimension. It's a quantum shift. And as these energies are escalating on the planet in this time, people don't know how to surf the waves of the quantum shifts that are going on. And this training supports you to read the waves, find the current, find your place on the current and ride the current rather than be smashed by the current. So all the invisible spirits and energies coming are here to support us in our evolution. And this training helps you to step into it with confidence and feel like, yeah, it's the mystery, but I'm going to walk into the mystery knowing that I've got what I need to manage myself and move forward in a positive way and be a light unto myself. And that light then shines the way for others as well. So come and shine your light with us and get your inner gifts out. You know, that's what our training with the Sacred Path is, bringing it all together and helping you hone your gifts to express them in the world. The gifts of navigating the unseen levels of reality and merging and working with the divine energies to bring more beauty, more grace, more healing, more joy, and more love to our lives. So we look forward, if you feel called to work with us, me and Rahima, we look forward to sharing this beautiful path with you. So if you have any questions, you can write in, we'll talk to you, whatever. You can set up an appointment to see, for a call to see if it's right, and we can talk through it, what your issues are about the training if you're interested. We also have a few groups coming up that if you're not sure, you know, you should leap into the energy and experience it before maybe you commit to 2 years. It's a big training and it's a big commitment. We're going to be having a few weekends on Medicine for the Earth, Mind Game. If you want to come and try and see how you fit in with the energies, we welcome you to participate and get a little taste of what is to come. So, blessings and delight and love to you on your path.